Welcome to the Vermillion Public Library's January Take and Makes. This month we're making Luminaries. Each kit will include a stencil, construction paper, a paper clip, and 2 lights. It is suggested you also have tape that you will need, scissors, and you could also, instead of a paper clip, use a push pin. When we are finished, the end product will look something like this, which you will then put over your candle, and it should light up through, which will be easier, obviously, in a very dark room. So first things first, you will pick your stencil. And then it is suggested that you tape your stencil onto your paper so that you don't lose it. So you don't lose your spot, that is. Because it can mess up the whole picture if it moves. So I'm going to put mine right here. You don't want it too close to the edge for when you roll it to tape it down. Or glue it if you prefer. So you don't want it too close to these edges there. I'm just going to tape mine here. And right on the bottom here. Then you're going to take either your paper clip or your push pin. Paper clips are easy. You can just poke them right through. I prefer the push pin. And then you're going to push through and follow the stencil with your holes. Now you're not going to want them too far apart, but you're going to want them close enough that you're not going to cause a tear in the paper. So you're just going to keep following along on your stencil. Try to keep it straight as best you can. Once you've done what you are going to do with the stencil, you're going to peel it off. Careful not to rip your paper. I obviously just did a very simple part of this stencil. This is the end result of the stencil. It's much more detailed. But for the sake of the video, I only did part of it. And you're going to roll up your stencil. And you're going to either glue it or tape it. So I'm going to tape mine. Okay, then that's it. And each kit should make 2 of these luminaries. So we have 2 battery operated candles. I will show you what that looks like in the dark. So you will be able to keep the dark away during these winter months with these luminaries. Thank you for joining me.